So a lot of first-time home buyers, when I first met with them, from the day we met, the day we closed, they always tells me, that's it? They always be like, we thought it was 10 times harder. That's what it was, from what it was actually. And simply what you need to have is a good agent by your side, explaining every step along the way. So my advice to you, my tip for you is first to find a good agent. And what I mean by good agent is someone you can feel comfortable talking with and explaining, somebody who is patient, somebody who knows the marketplace, someone who has sold few homes before, because you don't want to be a learning experience for your first home. And of course, ethical and honest, somebody who walk you and share every step of the transaction with you, in order to be every decision you make is an educated decision and help you pretty much get the house you want with the least amount of stress, because that's your ultimate goal. And I always tell the buyer, the goal of really buying a house is to make the life easier, not to make it harder. So these are pretty much the main things I've seen. As long as you have the right agent and the right team by your side, I always tell my client, the only things I need you to worry about is choosing the home, and leave the rest for me. I will handle everything else, and you will be, of course, informed in every steps along the way. Just worry about the house, let me take the stress and worry about everything else.